like this summit is a big help for us actually to know a lot about the development Travelport is doing.
Evolve is a very good way to meet people from the same industry, from the same sector.
I meet new people.
The most interesting part is that you see the evolving of this market every year, and so the new tendency also, what is the future.
We get to see what the bigger guys are doing, especially the big OTAs.
Really interesting, intriguing facts.
It gives us an insight to the future trends in our business.
A great audience, I think. They brought in people from all over the world.
A lot of good speakers.
The subjects covered are really good.
Additional features and applications regarding the hotel inventories.
The Universal API is what we're most interested in at the moment. Just because we're developing our website, it's going to help in us working on that.
But a lot of topics that we discussed during the 2 days were very interesting. So not one highlight, but many highlights.
I'm definitely looking forward to the workshops and the expert session, meet the expert session.
There are trends that are happening in one part of the world which affect the other. There are learnings, there are people, there are problems that are in emerging markets which other people in emerging markets have solved elsewhere. And it's important to understand what they feel about them, how they've gone and attacked those problems. And I think so Evolve presents a great marketplace to meet all those people, which otherwise is not possible.
Travelport always comes up with innovative solutions. They are concerned as much as we are concerned on our business.
In our market, especially, our biggest challenge is credit that we have to give in the market, because in Europe and America, you have a system of launch cards, which is prevalent, so one doesn't really have to worry about, the collection and payments. Here, accounts receivables for us becomes a very major challenge.
It's important for us to get ideas about how we're going to approach this extra, like hotels, accommodations, car hire, and all the ways you can around air build up the extra content.
The trend right now is just like people are going directly to the source, either booking a flight from the airline directly, either booking the hotel directly from the website of the hotel.
I hope that with the new solutions Travelport is presenting today, and it looks very helpful, and it's hopeful for us to get a lot of ideas and to get help with these challenges that we have. So I see that Travelport is actually investing in the right way.
We're sure that we're going to expand our hotel booking business through Travelport. I think this is a great feature.
Online business is eating up from our local business. So we have to prepare ourselves and to get prepared and to get online in order that we can compete.
The biggest challenge right now is just like, since we are an OTA online travel agency and the competition is very fierce, not from other OTAs that are emerging right now or like newcomers, it's just from the big players in the market. And since it's online, so there are no frontiers, so anyone can be in competition with us.
Travelport is trying their best in order to involve themselves and to educate the travel agents and the suppliers to get to this technology.
I'd like to say thank you for the Travelport team in Russia, because they are really improve our business now, and they really help us to go to online, because the new tools that they recommend for us, like Universal API, the other tools, is really good support for us.
In our part of the world, in UAE, in the Middle East, online business is becoming more and more active, more and more in usage. So I believe that's our challenge at the moment, the competitive fares, the access, and more clients tend to book online. So that's the greatest competition we have. We do highly appreciate Travelport's support in this, because they are helping us in online solutions. They are guiding us, supporting us, and I think that's what we are looking forward for.
We've been thinking about giving online presence in our country, and I think this is a very good platform to learn from it and go back and implement.
It's very interesting, and as usual, it's always I go home with good ideas which I can implement for my company.
It has been very informative conference at all. It has been very good. Yeah, I've enjoyed every second.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for all of us.
it really sums up to what you can actually do with your business to elevate your sales.
I think it's been very successful. It's been very well organized.
It's well done to Travelport.